Hi, class. So I've been getting a lot of questions and about what a function is, what a relation is, and I don't think I had done a video really explaining it or notes on it. So these are going to be the notes on how you can tell when a relation is a function. Now we know a function is any relation that the x values don't repeat. Basically, every time you have an input, you'll always get an output. You can have a different amount of inputs, and you're going to get a different output. So let's look at these ordered pairs. Remember, we're just looking at the x values. Let's see if they repeat. In this first one, I've got 2, 3, 4, and 5. Since none of my x values repeated, yes, this one is a function. Let's look at another set of ordered pairs. I've got 2, 2, 5, and 7. Well, right here, I had repeating 2's. So I didn't have unique inputs, so this would not be a function. So that's how to do it when you have ordered pairs. When you have a table, remember, a table is just ordered pairs in a list form. So let's look at the table on the left. I've got my x values 2, 3, 4, and 5. Did any repeat? No, since they did not repeat, this is a function. Let's look on this other table. 2, 2, 5, 7. Well, they already had 2 from x. I can't have 2 for x again. So this one would not be a function. So when you can see it in an ordered pair or in a table, you're just looking at the x values. Now, in mapping, they've already got it listed. And basically, you're looking for when the lines repeat, because this would be point 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 10. Well, every single x value only had one line going from it, so yes, this is a function. Now on this side, I've got 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 8, 7, 10. Well, I had a 2, 2 and a 2, 3. My x value repeated there, so this one is not a function. Now, when they're listing functions, they like to list them as the function of x, which is this notation. Just remember, whenever you see f of x, g of x, h of x, all that means is that means y. Okay? So if you see this, it really just means y. It'll make more sense when we get our graphs that'll say y equals 3x plus 8 and stuff like that, or if they say f of x equals 3x plus 8, it's just y. Okay? Now, if we have a graph of various points, you're going to use the vertical line test. All the vertical line test says is if you put a vertical line anywhere on your graph, you should not hit more than one point. So what I like to do is I like to take my pencil, make it straight up and down, and just move it left to right. So moving left to right, okay, I hit that point. Do I hit anything else? Nope. I hit this point. Am I hitting anything else? Nope. That one's good, and that one's good. So since I only hit one value anywhere I move my pencil on that vertical line, this is a function. Over here, if I try that again, I come over here and I get an x value of 2, and right above it I have another x value of 2. So right there, there's 2 points on that vertical line. It's going to fail, so this would be no. And down here is just the definition of vertical line test. Vertical line test is to make sure any value of x repeats or not. If x repeats, it's not a function. We don't care if the y repeats. Basically, you could have a graph with all of your points for y, being the same. As long as your x's are different, as long as it passes that vertical line test, it's fine. That's still a function. Now, what if we see it on a graph? I'm going to stop the video here. We're just going to practice vertical line test on graphs for the next one.